Hi, it's Dave Clark, and I'm here inspecting this boiler. I'd like to show you today how to document that inspection on this smartphone using InspectCheck-net in less than 4 minutes. So here we are right in our smartphone right now, and you see this great interface for mobile. We've already gone down to heating sections, but if you look at the top, you can easily go back to your dashboard by hitting on the InspectCheck symbol. Reports, all your reports will be there, clients, agents, and then our drop-down menu here can also help you with your company settings, account details, templates. Again, you can create your own templates and use them here. Stock photos, and InspectCheck tutorials, and log out, of course. So everything you can do from right here, but let's talk about our heating system, and let's do that. So we see that there's 4 sections, and you see heating. There's a number next to heating, and that number is going to descend, and then location, type, distribution. There's numbers next to those too in the subcategory. So let's get going. So location type, location of main heating unit is going to be in the basement, and we're going to mark that complete, close it. What type of distribution is it? We said it was definitely hydronic, and we're going to complete that and close it. And the condition overall of this unit, and we're going to say it's in pretty good shape, satisfactory. And again, those are our conditions that pop up, explanation of conditions, and you can have your own, and you can also alter this. All you have to do is click on it and just type, I'm just going to type that because I'm not going to be a great typer, but you can do that. Also voice to text. But again, you can use your own explanation of conditions either for this one, or you can create your own template and they'll automatically pop up. And we also said it needed a little bit of a cleaning, so there you go. And we're just going to mark that completed and close it, and there you go. And we're going to close that section. If you notice a couple things, heating went down to 3 and location type distribution went down to 0. So now I know that that is done. So let's take a look at our thermostat location, first floor, right? I'm going to mark that complete and close it. British thermal units, I think we said it was 120. And there it is. We already had put that in there. Close that, and we're going to mark that complete. Fuel type, in this case, it's natural gas. I'm going to mark that complete, close it. It's that simple to move through here. And what did we say about the response of the unit? And it responded just fine, no problem. So we're going to close that. I'm going to mark that complete, and we'll close that whole section. And we see now we have another 0, and heating is down to 2. So now we have 2 sections. I'm going to talk about the flue or vent pipe. What type is it? This is definitely chimney vented. And we're going to close that, close the section down right there. And materials of the flue or vent pipe, again, metal. A lot of these are standards that you have to report. All right. And what did we say? The condition of that pipe in really good shape, right? At a good pitch, no problems. We're going to close that, mark that complete, and then we're going to close the section, and we see we're down to 0, down to 1 left to go. So supply return ducts, supply and return ducts, limited view, we're able to see it. There's not a heat recovery ventilator in there, so we can just mark that complete. What are the conditions? And we noticed there was a little bit of some minor corrosion noted to that pipe. So I wanted to show you real quick. So we're going to click on that, and what I want to do is add a picture here. So we can do that by clicking the add button. Now we've got a couple of options. We can go to the standard library, which is the InspectCheck library, the company library, which are the photos that you would have uploaded and saved, and graphics. But in this case, we want to take a picture. So I'm going to do that right now. And you can see what pops up. We can go to the photo library if we want to. We have 2 options to do that. Choose files. At the bottom would be something on our phone or device if we had it in there already. But in this case, we just want to take the photo. So we're going to click on that. And up comes our camera. We see a little bit of corrosion. I'm going to hit that quick, and we're going to say we're going to use the photo. And InspectCheck's going to load that in, saving the image, and it added it right there. Okay, so now we're just going to click off here, and the image is in there, and I want to show you something real quick. So we can click on that photo, and there it is, and I want to draw on it. Okay, so what does that mean? I'm going to click draw, and you could view it, delete it, whatever. So I'm going to click draw. And we're going to get these, in this case, I'm just going to draw a circle. But I could go over here to an arrow and put an arrow there if I wanted to. Or if I wanted to do a nicer circle. A lot of times I just do it freehand, just like you saw. But I could just do that if I want to. Okay, very simple. And we come across the top, and we're just going to save it. And we say, OK. And that is it. That's it. And we close out of here, right up at the top. There we go. And we're going to say that that section is now complete. Going to close it. Close it right at the top. Close it. And look at that. All done. Heating's now got a check mark at the top. You see that? That means we've got all the sections. All the subcategories have all zeros, which means we know we got everything. Now you can see how easy it is and how fast it is using InspectCheck-net right on your smartphone. Works on all smartphones, tablets. You can also do it at home or back at the office on your desktop. Make sure to hit subscribe for our YouTube channel because we have many other videos there and we'll be adding more videos too. Thanks for watching.